all love watching videos. Everyone watch video every day or once in a while. However, not everyone gets paid to watch videos all the day. Well, in today's video, we have a great website that pays you to watch videos online. The website pays a decent sum of money for every video watched. You can also get paid for watching videos from any part of the world. Also, you can either watch videos on your phone, tablet, or computer. So, how can you earn money watching videos? Well, sit back and watch as we take a look at the brilliant website that pays you to watch videos online. Stay tuned. Before we begin this video, if you are new to the Roladel business, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell for the latest notification and updates. That way you will never miss a video from Roladel business. With that said, let's not waste any more time and get into today's video. Now, the website I will reveal to you in this video is an amazing website. There is a great collection of videos to watch, and the best part is that they pay you for spending time on their website and watching videos. Very simple and easy thing to do. So in order to earn money watching videos, make sure you watch this video right till the end and make sure to follow all the steps without skipping any parts in this video. Alright, let's take a look at the different steps to make money watching online. The first thing you have to do is to head over to this site called roladel.com. The link is in the description of this video, so you can directly get to the website without searching for it on Google, or type roladel.com from your website browser. Roladel.com is a freelance marketplace with YouTube video recommendation features for sellers and buyers to make money by watching YouTube videos. On this website, you can find any video you want to watch. The videos here are categorized, and you can also look for videos similar to the ones you want to watch and more options. Browsing through the website is smooth and easy. Now, once you purchase Roladel membership, you will land on a page like this with a list of various videos to watch. These are going to be very important in just a minute, so keep watching for exclusive tips to maximize your earnings at the end of this video. When you're on this page, you need to click the view button. As you can see, the full screen of the video you can watch. Getting set up on Roladel is very easy. Just create a username and password, provide some basic information about yourself. In addition, you're eligible to offer your freelancing services on the site for free. Every sale, the company pays you your money to any of your preferred payment options. So guys, that's how you can make money online watching videos. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.